Hello, thanks for watching my review. I'm going to tell you about this clip-on fan. I like it so far because it's super quiet, so it got me happy because I bought two other fans and they're very loud, that are battery operated, that are very loud. So this one I'm super happy with. So what you get in the box is you get the fan, it has the clip, you get a user manual that's pretty useful, and then you also get a USB to Type-C. The manual says it's a fast charging cable, or designed for fast charging. And basically what you do when you need to charge it, which I'm not going to do right now, is you plug it in here. The manual says you can have it plugged in while it's running, or you can just use the battery power. So about the fan really quick, so I wanted the clip. Now the clip, it's pretty let me move this around. There we go. It's pretty strong. It's loosening as I'm going, but I'm using two hands to open this clip, and I'm sure it will loosen over time some more. But when I tried to first open it, I was like, wow, that's impossible. The fan also has a hook, so you don't have to use the clip. You can just hang it if you want. And the fan does swivel, so if you want, you can point it whatever direction, whether it's clipped somewhere or you're using the hook or whatever. You can move it around, and you can also flip it all the way if you want to. So as far as so it's on battery right now. I don't have it plugged in, but we're going to go ahead and turn it on. It has indicators. It's telling me it has 75% of battery, and this is just the first speed, so I'll show you that. Just hang it, and let's grab those instructions that they gave us. So you can see on this low setting, you can see it's blowing it lightly, not too hard. So we'll go ahead and increase the speed to the fourth one. I don't know if you can hear that. It's not as loud as my other fan, but you can hear it, and you can see the instructions are most definitely being blown away. So not too loud, nice wind, so really like it. Let me know if you have questions. I'm going to post an update once I've actually used this a little bit and I'm recharging the battery, to let you know how long it takes to recharge the battery and how long the battery holds. And I'll have that in my written portion updated later.